If your drain field is getting all soggy and gross, it's probably because of watering too close and messing with the soil's ability to soak up stuff. So, you want to keep your irrigation game tight to avoid flooding the drain field. First off, never let your sprinkler heads spray right onto the drain field area. That's a big no-no. Use drip irrigation or water plants far from it, because soaking that area can cause major problems like system backups or even sewage coming up in your yard. Make sure your lawn sprinklers are positioned so the water falls elsewhere, not on the drain field. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking a finger or a small tool in the ground. If it feels wet for too long, cut back on watering. Also, avoid planting deep-rooted trees or shrubs near the drain field because roots love to mess with pipes. If you have heavy clay soil, consider aerating it or adding some sand to improve drainage. Lastly, keep an eye out for pooling water after rain or watering, and adjust your irrigation schedule to let the soil dry out properly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a saturated drain field is overwatering near it without realizing it. This floods the soil and stops it from filtering wastewater correctly, which can lead to septic system failure. The fix is to redirect irrigation elsewhere and only water when the soil feels dry. Another common issue is planting trees or shrubs with aggressive roots too close to the drain field. These roots can break pipes and block drainage. The solution here is to keep landscaping at a safe distance and choose shallow-rooted plants. Finally, ignoring poor soil conditions like compaction or clay buildup can make saturation worse. You can improve this by aerating the soil or mixing in materials that help water pass through better. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who know exactly how to handle tricky stuff like drain field issues. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with folks who need their skills and build their business without hassle.